Have you ever bought pants and realized they were a bit too long? Here are 3 ways to cuff your pants to clean them up without tailoring them. Using the single cuff, we can have the pants sit nicely above the sneaker lining. Take the hem of the pants and fold upwards, about 2 inches. Flatten the cuff and make sure it's even and sharp all around. If your pants are too long, a double cuff can do the trick. We'll start with doing a single cuff. Once you sharpen the cuff, take the new hem and flip up one more time. The new hem should sit right above the sneaker lining. If your pants are too long and you want a tapered cuff, try the pinwheel cuff. Take an inch of hemline between your thumb and forefinger where the seams meet and pull on it tight. Using your other pointer finger, fold over the hemline and ensure it's tight around your ankle. Fold up 2 times while keeping the hemline tight. You now have a more tapered look to your pants. Did the shirts in the video catch your eye? Visit our website now to discover a wide range of shirts in our signature slim fit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fashion tips and exclusive offers.